This video is about different types of felting wool that you can get for needle felting. So this first type here is cleaned sheep wool, but it's wool that is left as locks. So most of the vegetable matter is removed because it's cleaned, but there may still be a small amount remaining. However, because this wool is left as locks, it's got curly bits in, and therefore it's good if you need curly wool when you're felting. So the next type that I'm going to show you is core wool, and I have done a video explaining more about this, which I'll link in the description box below if you want to find out more. But this wool is a slightly cheaper felting wool, and it's good to make the core structures of your felted animal. So the next wool I'm going to show you is carded wool. So this is where the wool has been washed, and then all the tangles in the wool have been removed. So this wool can come as slivers, as I'm showing you here, which is a long strip wound in a ball. So as you can see, all the fibres run in different directions, and therefore it's easier to break apart, and it's quite good in giving you a nice smooth finish on your felted projects. So I would use this to felt the colour over the top of my core wool structure. So this wool can also come in the form of a sheet known as a bat, and the carded bats can be good if you're felting something flat like a picture. So the only thing this wool isn't ideal for is if you want to make long fur on your felted animal, for example. So for that you will need this wool, which I'm going to show next, which is known as a roving or a wool top. So that term can be used interchangeably, and this wool is just mainly used for making fur. So this wool has been carded, however after the carding process it has then been combed, and the combing causes all the wool fibres to run in the same direction. So as you can see here, I've used some different wool roving and different colours, so white and a ginger colour, to create the fur on this guinea pig, and this is mainly what you will use this wool type for. So just to summarise, in the bottom right we've got the cleaned raw wool, and this can be used if you want to have a natural curly wool in your felted projects. And then above that we've got the core wool, which is used to make the core structure of your felted projects. Then on the top left we've got the carded wool, which can come in the form of a long strip known as a sliver, or as a bat, which is a sheet, and this is used to make the colour over the top of your core wool structure. And then below that in black I've got the wool known as either wool tops or wool roving, and this is mainly used to create long fur on your felted projects. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any different videos about felting which you'd like me to make, please also leave those ideas in the comment section below.